Hi family, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to wear my hair out as I'm not in a rolling pin, but rather to have it out doing its own thing. And so I decided to wear it in a braid out. Before this braid out, I have done braid out just once before and I have a video of it on this channel. So if you want to check it out to compare what I did previously to what I'm doing in this video, then I'll put a link in the description for you. My hair is already washed. I washed it somewhere in the morning and I'm doing this braiding in the afternoon. So I start off by sectioning a portion of the hair that I'll be braiding, and I used a comb to section because I wanted the strands to just remain in the section in which I'll be braiding. I didn't want strands to be crossing over into other sections because that could cause breakage during the takedown or even during the braiding process. My hair wasn't feeling dry at all, so I didn't feel the need to spray any more water on my hair. So I just went in with the Tgin green tea super moist leave-in conditioner and then topped it up with the honey whip hydrating mousse. I actually thought the mousse was too much, but I didn't want to be done only to realize I didn't use enough. So I just used as much as would coat all the strands and give me the ease of raking through my hair and braiding. If you've been following me, then you know that I do detangle my hair during the conditioning stage of my wash routine, and so my hair is properly detangled. I feel proper detangling is key to achieving a good braid out or twist out or whatever curl setting you want to achieve. So I braid tightly from the roots as you could see and then twisted the ends. And then the very ends, I put it in a small bantu knot like so. And that little bantu knot at the end actually helped to define the curls at the ends without frizz. So this is early the next morning. I air dried it throughout the night, but I had a bonnet on. I had 9 braids in all. I really wish I could even do bigger braids because not too much time to be doing small braids, but this was just right for me. So I just rubbed a bit of oil in my palm to help take down the braids, and you can see the definition. Gentle pull on the bantu knot is all you need to undo it. I really wish I didn't have to separate, but I had to for some volume and some styling. So I went ahead to separate the curls. I just went by wherever it feels natural to separate. So this is day one. I just went to bed with a bonnet on. I didn't have to do any extra steps. And so in the morning, I just took off the bonnet and I just had to shake. In fact, this shaking business, I'm not sure I can keep up with it. But well, yeah, I had to do that to just separate the curls, and it wasn't that difficult to do. So this is day two. I just had to take off my bonnet again in the morning. I didn't have to do any extra step. Shook my head again. I mean, this shaking business again. But I styled my hair with a headband. So in all, I kept this style for 4 days. I could have probably done 5 to 6 by putting it in a puff, but I just went ahead on day 5 to put it in braids. I refreshed it and put it in braids. And so that's how long the style lasted for me. I really enjoyed this braid out and I might be doing it more often. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again.